Taking a look at Luna Classic, we talked about it yesterday, how ultimately we got a 618 retracement, which confirmed that the market was still bearish, and ultimately we just came right back down to the trend line. So the Luna Classic needs to bounce here, all right? Not a matter of if I want it to bounce, I don't care if it bounces, but if it doesn't bounce, as you can see, buyers are coming in, you're most likely going to take out the low, all right? I don't have anything new to draw because all the fibs are invalid. You can see the uptrend is still holding. Downtrend is obviously still holding. Let me just check the fib just in case. Make this black so we can see it. Yeah, I mean the 786 is literally right here. So if Luna Classic doesn't bounce here, which it is, but if it doesn't end up doing some type of complete reversal, then you're going to get a retrace back up to 92 and then it's going to collapse. So look out for 92. If it ends up getting stuck, that is super bearish, and you don't want to overcomplicate it because the reality is you did get a retrace from the high to the low to the 618. So obviously that was bearish. And then from yesterday's video, or maybe it was 2 days ago, the black line broke and we said that any lower than that and it's just bearish, which you can see it came back down to the low. So in the big picture, if you don't care about these tiny time frames, we can get rid of this fib and get rid of this fib and not overcomplicate it. Clearly you're making higher lows, excuse me, you're making lower highs, and you are making higher lows, which is why for the third time, if this uptrend ends up holding, you know, then technically you still have a shot at a reversal. But as I said earlier, if you wanted to get super technical, you would zoom in once again like this, because now you have a local high, and obviously this 382 at 92, which is what I said before. So $92 or 92 cents is your price to beat. If LUNC can get over 92 cents, then you should see a bigger retrace back up, which, as I just deleted, this downtrend is now in play right at this 618. So you got a lot of work to do for LUNC, but we'll see what happens at 92. If it doesn't get up that high and it just starts selling off again, any lower than 86 is going to trigger a much bigger collapse down and potentially even break out the low. All right. So that's pretty much it. As always, none of this is financial advice.